Tweety.
Sylvester, you look like something you dragged in. Where's Tweety?
Ooh, here I go again.
It's about time you got here. You know what to do.
Ooh, I got an uneasy feeling down in my widow gut.
So I was wrong.
I'm happy to report that all is going exactly as planned, Mr. Big.
And now we're very excited to welcome back our next act, the reigning champions, Granny and Tweety.
The birds put on weight, and the old lady needs a shave.
Why, the nerve of those two. I would never wear a dress like that.
Town Tweety, sing this song, do-da, do-da. Town waits 25 miles long, oh, the do-da day. Doing the all night, doing the all day. Bet my money in a bucket.
Good work, Sylvester. I'm making a citizen's arrest for fraud, birdnapping, and wearing that dress with that hat.
Gee, Rocky, I sure hope Mr. Big don't find out about this.
Shut up.
Mr. Big, eh? I should have known you two weren't capable of coming up with a plan like this. Mr. Big. Mr. Big.
Town Tweety, sing this song,
Do-da, do-da.
Town waits 25 miles long.
Oh, there goes that blasted tape recorder again. Could someone turn that thing off so I can think?
It is off.
Town Tweety, sing this song, do-da.
Tweety!
Town waits 25 miles long,
Oh, the do-da day.
Doing the one all night, doing the one all day. Bet my money on the ball tonight. Somebody bet on the bay. Town Tweety, sing this song, do-da, do-da. Town waits 25 miles long, oh, do-da.
It's times like these I feel unconditionally used.
Tweety. Tweety.
Whenever there's a crime or trouble that no one can solve at all, it seems. That's when they come and on the double, Sylvester and Tweety mysteries.